the wind, yes. The foul, very particular wind, typical of this part of the country. It comes from the Alps. The blasts of warm air cause snow avalanches. While it blows, there are those who say it causes madness.
To me, it look like a leprechaun to me. All you gotta do is look up in the tree. Who else in the leprechaun say yeah? Yeah!
I'm gonna run a backhoe and uproot that tree. I wanna know where the gold at. I want the gold. Give me the gold. I want the gold.
Who else in the leprechaun say yeah?
It is I, says me, Snoop Lion, a.k.a. Snoop D-O-double-G, king of the motherfucking West Coast, holding it down, you know what I'm talking about?
High-speed chase, 405 is the freeway, slanging my banging, my swinging, my coupe, DeVille, scoop, DeVille, like that right back top of the hill, wheel in my hand with a trunk full of contraband, swimming underwater like I'm Aquaman. I used to drink gin, now it's vodka, man. Boss dog is a bowler, no propaganda. Pop your band, don't try and stop the plan. I rock your land, step back and pop your man. Spaced out, caked out, no bugaboo, flipped out, cripped out. Nigga, what it really do? Time brings change, so I changed my name. Trying to take flight while they clipping my wings. Groupie ass niggas see you tripping the game with nothing to gain. Plop, plop, popping up, bang.
Cat lacquer, crocosacca, hip hopper, click clacker, tip tapper, pimp slapper. Ain't tryna act up, don't wanna act up. My nigga back up, nigga back up. Hey baby back up, baby back up. My nigga back up, nigga back up. I scoop the filter, track up.
I've had all kinds of audience. I've been in vaudeville, you know, I played in some of those spots.
What's the worst bomb you ever had in front of an audience? Was it early days in vaudeville where you walked out and nothing went?
Well, you know, I told you about playing in Chicago. I played places there around Cicero. If they liked you, they didn't applaud, they just let you live. I used to have an intermission to give the audience a chance to reload. I'm serious. This was a real tough audience. They used to tie the tomatoes on the end of yo-yos so they could hit you twice.
Family in the circus. Smokey Robinson, Allen Ginsberg, Charlie Rich, he's a good poet. W.C. Fields.
yourself, boo, break yourself. Break 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 yourself, boo, break yourself.
Hey, listen, I don't know. I like this song. This song is, if my friend sees me listening to this, I'm gonna feel very embarrassed because he put me onto it, and now I feel kind of like, I don't know, I feel some type of way, but I really do like this song. Wow. What do you know? Wait, let me just let it finish.
Pam, city residents have been told this noise is perfectly legal, so tomorrow they hope to start the process to change the law.
The whistles go woo!
Anybody that has it in their neighborhood's going to be totally driven crazy.
It sounds like what?
Well, you want to woo woo? It's that woo woo. You know what I'm saying? Then you got the flows. They didn't trip off the flow masters.
That decoration, man. Just for decoration. That's it. And that's all, man. We do it for decoration.
You have it on your car?
Yeah, I got it on my car.
Some Oakland residents will complain about the noisemakers Tuesday night at the city council meeting. Some neighbors are saying way too loud.
That's only in the morning. You supposed to be up cooking breakfast or somebody, and so that's like an alarm clock. Woo woo! Woo woo! It's that woo woo! Woo woo! It's that woo woo!
Try some more. The strawberries taste like strawberries. The snozberries taste like snozberries.
Snozberries? Who ever heard of a snozberry?
We are the music makers, and we are the dreamers of dreams. And we are the dreamers of dreams. Try some more. The strawberries taste like strawberries. The snozberries taste like snozberries.
Snozberries? Who ever heard of a snozberry?
We are the music makers, and we are the dreamers of dreams. We are the music makers, and we are the dreamers of dreams.
Evil Empire gangsters, they'll eat your lunch and wrinkle your school clothes.
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
What, you ain't know?
And he was a very, very brilliant man. And I remember that he only ever copied, and I never understood that. Like, he only ever cheated on everything. Cheated on every test you could possibly cheat on. He cheated on tests where he knew the answers, but he only cheated. And I asked him why. He said because he felt like it took the exact same amount of brain power to be a great cheater as it was to be a great scholar. And he felt like he would get the exact same grade as the great scholar because he was a great cheater. And so he said at a very young age he decided he wanted to commit his life to the art of cheating.
So the guy that comes to you with like a fucked up CD where he ain't got no money in his pocket, he scrapped up, robbed, killed a couple of people, and made a fucked up CD with just a magic marker wrote on it, be the best shit.
basically, what you're seeing now is a dissection of the brain of a fox. But what I'm doing is I'm associating words to their nucleus. So this is a game that I often play with my daughter. So what you can do is you can make poems based on their DNA.